Hi guys, welcome back to Math with Mr. Husky. Today we're going to section 8-2, equations with two variables. We have two definitions for you. Solution, it's an ordered pair that makes any equation true. And linear equation, it's the equation of a straight line. Example 1, find the solution of y equals 3x plus 4 for x equals negative 1. So we have our equation, y equals 3x plus 4, and we know that x equals negative 1. What we want to do is we want to evaluate this. We want to put in negative 1 wherever we see an x. So we say y equals 3, we see an x, so times negative 1 plus 4. And I solve this down, negative 3 plus 4, and then y equals 1. So the solution to this equation is an ordered pair. It's negative 1 for my x and 1 for my y. And there's my answer. My next example says graph y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3. So what I want to do is I want to use the point 0 for an x. I want to go into my negatives, so I'm going to use negative 2, and I want to go into my positives, so I'm going to use 2. So in this part I need my y values, so I put negative 1/2, and I see an x, so times negative 2 plus 3. Negative 1/2 times negative 2 is 1, plus 3 is 4. Do the same thing with 0. Negative 1/2 times 0 plus 3, I get 3. Do the same thing with 2, and I get 2. Now if I graph this, I need to use my ordered pairs to do so. So x is negative 2, I go 2 to the left, and y is 4, I go 4 up, I put a dot. X is 0, right in the middle, I go up 3. Put another dot. X is 2, I go up 2. I put another dot, and then I connect them with a line. And I put an arrow, and there's my graph. For example 3 and 4, we'll do example 3 first. We have to graph y equals 2. So if we think about it, no matter what x value we put in, y is always going to be 2. So when I have a y equals equation, I go up to y is 2, there's a dot for it. If x is 1, y is still 2, so there's a dot for it. If x is negative 1, y is still 2, so I put another dot, and I connect those, and I get a horizontal line. For x equals 2, if I think about it, every x value is going to be 2, so no matter what my y value is, I'm going to have x equals 2. So y is 0, I have 2, I put a dot. If y is 1, x is still 2. Y is negative 1, x is still 2. So I put another dot there, and I connect them and draw a line. I get a vertical line. So if an x equals gives me a vertical line, and an y equals gives me a horizontal line. We scroll down to our last example. We need to graph 3x plus y equals negative 5. Well, our other examples had y by itself, so that's what we want to do first. We want to look at this and we want to say we want to get rid of 3x. So we subtract 3x to both sides. My new equation is y equals negative 3x minus 5. So I want to make a table of values again. So my x, my y, and again I want 0. I'll use negative 1 this time and positive 1 this time. There's my equation in the middle, so I plug them in. Negative 3 times negative 1 minus 5, I get negative 2. Negative 3 times 0 minus 5, I get minus 5. Negative 3 times 1 minus 5, I get negative 8. So now I have to graph that. Negative 1, so left 1, and then down 2. On the y-axis, I don't go left right, and I go down 5. Positive 1, down 8, and I connect my line, and there's my graph. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.